So in terms of how we can have a big impact for animal welfare in the EU, it's definitely the screaming thing. It's the revision of the animal welfare legislation. We can create an impact throughout the EU in a very kind of harmonized and unified way that will solve a lot of problems for animals, and we would really like remove the bad practices that are really halting animal welfare in the EU, and then it will allow us to work from that basis. This needs, of course, collaboration from all sectors, because you have on one side the NGOs, and we are the voice of the animals, and we really want to speak for the welfare, for higher welfare. But then you also need farmers to embark on this journey, to really understand these new systems, to really explain to them why they have to adopt these higher welfare systems. But then you also have the meat supply chain that has a lot of work to do on there, because the farmers will need someone to also bring value to their products, to pay and help them pay for this investment. So of course public money can play the investment, but then there's the ongoing cost of higher welfare that the meat supply chain should also address. And finally you have the citizens, that they are asking for more, they want more, but then as we discussed today, they also sometimes don't adopt that attitude in their shopping. And this is about also the food environment. And then here it becomes a much bigger discussion, because it's about what happens on farm, what the NGOs are asking, what the meat supply chain is doing. But it's about really bringing us all together and address this food environment issue. That the consumers, although we think or we say they have a free choice, in the end they don't, because they are exposed to this environment that doesn't allow them to have the healthy choices that they should, and that we are expecting them to, or us again, to have. So we really, there is no other way than collaborating with all of us to get to that food environment that we need.